Over the past couple of years, the Android landscape has shifted in a big way. The so-called underdogs are stepping up, crafting devices that can genuinely compete with the industry's heavyweights. One standout example is the Honor Magic 7 Pro, a phone I've been testing and enjoying for the past month. When I think of the top-tier Android players, Google and OnePlus come to mind. The Pixel 9 series, for instance, continues to impress with its seamless blend of hardware and software. OnePlus, even with its custom Android skin, delivers an exceptional user experience. The Honor Magic 7 Pro delivers a similar level of satisfaction, though in this case, it's the hardware that steals the show. More on that shortly. At £1,099.99, the Magic 7 Pro enters the UK and European markets with bold ambitions. It's priced to go head-to-head with flagship devices like the Google Pixel 9 Pro, which has become my personal benchmark. While the Magic 7 Pro isn't flawless and stumbles in a few areas, it still manages to deliver a surprisingly competitive experience overall. Ever since the Magic Vibe 3 dropped a few months back, Honor has been locked onto my radar. Their design choices just hit differently. Bold camera layouts, clean, premium lines, and the Magic 7 Pro keeps that momentum going strong. I've been using the Lunar Shadow Gray variant, and honestly, it's the best-looking option of the bunch. But you also get two other colorways to choose from, Breeze Blue and Classic Black. Each version features a velvet-like matte glass back that feels incredibly smooth to the touch while diffusing fingerprints like a pro. The Lunar Shadow, though? That marbled, micro-textured pattern catching the light is next level. It feels so good in hand that, yep, I've been living dangerously. No case during the whole review. On the back, Honor's rocking what they call a squircle camera module. It's a more refined and minimalist take compared to the hexagonal stop sign from the Magic Vibe 3. It gives off a bit of a OnePlus vibe, but blends beautifully with the rear panel here. Now, let's get into the curves. Both the front and back glass have subtle edge curves, which might divide some opinions. I know plenty of folks, myself included, still root for the flat screen comeback, but Honor took a middle ground. The included screen protector only covers up to the start of the curve, leaving the very edge exposed. No pixels at risk, but I would have preferred a fully flat panel for that ultra-modern look. Still, in this case, the curved design works well and feels premium. As for durability, the Magic 7 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's both IP68 and IP69 rated, meaning it laughs in the face of dust, water, and even high-temperature water jets. I didn't go full extreme, but after a few snow dives during testing, the phone came out unscathed. Let's talk about that display. You're looking at a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED nanocrystal shield screen with a peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits. Yep, 5,000. This thing shines like crazy, even in direct sunlight. Paired with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, the Magic 7 Pro feels fast, fluid, and ready for anything. On top of that, Honor sprinkled in some thoughtful touches like defocus eye care mode. It's designed to simulate myopic defocus to reduce eye strain, which is perfect for marathon screen sessions. Bottom line, the Magic 7 Pro isn't just about good looks, it's got the muscle and finesse to go toe-to-toe with the big players. And we're just getting started. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is impressively fast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and a minimum of 12 GB of RAM, it handles daily tasks and heavy multitasking with ease. Whether you're navigating apps or tapping into AI features in Magic OS 9, Honor's skin over Android 15, the experience feels smooth and responsive. Magic OS 9 brings a handful of AI tools like Magic Portal, AI translation, and built-in Google Gemini support. While Google Gemini integration is seamless, features like AI Translate require a bit of setup before you can use them, which slows things down. Magic Portal lets you circle items on the screen with your knuckle to quickly share them through a shortcut panel. While handy in theory, I found a regular screenshot and share to be faster and simpler in most cases. Still, Magic OS 9 has its moments. The AI-powered app suggestions in quick settings and folders are genuinely useful, especially when traveling, surfacing relevant apps right when you need them. In short, Magic OS 9 has some growing pains, but once you get used to it, it's functional and occasionally helpful, complementing the power of Android 15 nicely. If there's one standout feature of the Honor Magic 7 Pro, it's the battery. This phone is a marathon runner. It just refuses to quit, no matter how demanding the day. During a full day of international travel, the battery barely flinched. With a 5,270 mAh capacity, it may not sound groundbreaking on paper, but the real magic lies in the tech behind it. Honor uses a silicon carbon battery with a silicon-based anode, boosting efficiency and extending real-world endurance far beyond expectations. In my usage, the Magic 7 Pro consistently lasted 30+ hours with heavy multitasking, streaming, calls, and even some gaming thrown in. Under ultra-heavy loads, think constant gaming, it still pushes out 12+ hours, while moderate users could easily get through 2 full days without a recharge. Despite my habit of charging nightly, I rarely dropped below 45% battery by day's end, something I haven't experienced with other flagships. And when it's time to top up, 100-watt wired charging fills the battery in just 33 minutes, while 80-watt wireless charging is also supported, if you can find a charger that matches. Honor's AI enhancements shine in the camera setup. The Magic 7 Pro packs a 50-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and an impressive 200-megapixel telephoto lens that steals the spotlight. The large sensor gathers tons of light, enabling detailed zoom shots, especially when AI super zoom kicks in at 30 times magnification. The downside? The AI-enhanced zoom relies on cloud processing, so it only works when you're connected to the internet. When it does kick in, the results are surprisingly sharp. It's just a shame it can't process on-device. The main sensor performs well, aided by Honor's AI image engine and Harcourt portrait presets for cleaner, studio-like shots. However, many images leaned a bit too heavily into HDR, leaving me wishing Honor adopted a more refined post-processing approach like Google or OnePlus. One feature I loved is AI motion sensing capture, which helps lock onto fast-moving subjects for sharper action shots, even up to 10x zoom. It's the kind of intelligent tweak that makes mobile photography easier and more reliable day to day. Given the choice between a Pixel 9 Pro and the Honor Magic 7 Pro, I'd still lean toward the Pixel, but not by much. Honor has created a phone that impresses with its bold hardware, powerful AI features, and unmatched battery life. Yes, Magic OS 9 could use some polish to smooth out redundancies and streamline the experience, but the Magic 7 Pro delivers where it counts. At £1,099.99, it sits right among flagship competitors, and thanks to its standout battery, premium design, and reliable performance, it's a serious contender in 2025's crowded smartphone market. So what do you think about the Honor Magic 7 Pro? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.